Okay, this is June 18th in the afternoon of a Saturday afternoon. We've been working on toilet. JB welded the valve down there, and we tested it and it doesn't leak. It does not leak. And I also fixed with the O-ring the chamber up there. Let me see if I can kind of cock the camera to see it under there. But anyway, and I'll take it and flush it and just to show you how it works here. Okay. Point it down in that seal. You can see the seal is worn because the thing's 25 years old. And so when I'm going to fill it with water right now. There it comes, being filled with water. Now since that seal's old, it leaks through the seal, which you can see when I lift it up here. Look under there. It is leaking, but that's okay because that water there is going to go down into the tank. I don't mind that leak. I don't mind it leaking from that seal there. See here, the water still stays there a little bit. Down there. And then when I pull the main flap here, it'll open up the valve. And if you push it down far enough, water will also come and swish around to do the last minute fixing. Fill it up again and wait for the next time you do it. If it was a perfect seal, the next time you do it, it would have water in there for you. But since the seal leaks a little bit, you'll have water coming out like it does right there. Now let me add water, and you can see in the back here what it's doing. You can verify there's no leaks anywhere. And there it goes. I'm going to fill it with water. No squirting anywhere like it used to. No leaking. It's only leaking from the seal, which is accessible to me. So that's it. Over and out.
So it's going.